everyone, welcome back. So today we are heading Rishikesh, a wonderful place in Uttarakhand. So to watch the complete video, stay tuned. As you journey from Delhi to Rishikesh, you will pass by the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, a prominent sports venue named after India's first Prime Minister. It hosts various national and international events symbolizing the country's sporting spirit and achievement. Further along your route, you will encounter the majestic Akshardham Temple, a renowned Hindu sanctuary revered for its architectural grandeur and spiritual significance. It is dedicated to Lord Swaminarayan. It showcases intricate carvings, exhibitions, and a captivating water show, attracting visitors from across the globe seeking cultural enrichment and religious solace. I'm thoroughly enjoying the scenic view along the roadside as they are naturally wonderful. Hello from the foothills by the Ganga river. I'm at the Ram Jhula. It's believed to be where Lord Rama meditated and where the Beatles visited in the 1960s. Today it's known for yoga, meditation, and its serene environment, attracting seekers from around the globe. By the banks of the Ganga, I find peace and I'm gaining a deeper understanding of the value of peace and its importance in everyday life. I'm indulging in the Ganga's experience and embracing life's beauty. Meet Minnie and Max. The last time when I saw them, they were kittens, but now they have grown up. Have captured all of Max's sleeping poses in his cozy spot, and it's such a wonderful place. I can't unsee the things I saw when I first met you. There was a glimpse of what's to come. I don't want anybody telling me I'm confused. I'm not insane, I saw the sun. There was a warmth, there was a feeling that no matter how hard I try, I can't describe. There was a love, there was a meaning. I've never been so happy that I'm still alive. 'Cause I'm blinded by you. Good morning, everyone. We ventured to Kunjapuri to witness the sunrise very early this morning, but unfortunately, it was foggy and we could hardly see the sunrise. You can see that small red like ball, that's the sun, and it's hardly rising. Beware of monkeys, they are everywhere these days. We never know when they might attack, so it's best to be cautious beforehand. During my last visit, I watched the sunrise from the hills of Kunjapuri, and every moment was worth cherishing. Even the weather was delightful, complemented by a stunning sunrise. The weather was absolutely delightful, enhanced by the spectacular sight of a beautiful sunrise. The colors of the sky painted a mesmerizing backdrop as the sun made its ascent, casting a warm glow over the surroundings. It was a truly magical moment, enveloped in the tranquility of the morning and filled with a sense of wonder at the natural world's beauty. We waited eagerly for the sun to rise again, but unfortunately it didn't happen as we had hoped, so we decided to head back home since we have other plans for the day. The black tower at the top of Kunjapuri indicate the distance of various places from this magical location. I will tell you a bit more about this place. Kunjapuri is renowned for its stunning panoramic views of the Himalayan mountain ranges, especially during sunrise and sunset. It's also considered a sacred place with a revered temple dedicated to Goddess Shakti, attracting pilgrims and spiritual seekers alike. Additionally, Kunjapuri is known for its tranquil ambience, making it a popular destination for meditation and yoga practitioners seeking serenity amidst nature. As we begin our journey way back home, take note of the staircase consisting of approximately 300 steps.
I can't begin to tell you how much I've been wishing for someone like you to appear. Now it makes sense to keep on breathing, keep on living. Wherever you are, there's no fear. There was a warmth, there was a feeling that no matter how hard I try, I can't describe. There was a love, there was a meaning. I've never been so happy that I'm still alive. 'Cause I'm blinded by you, and I'd rather go blind than go without. Your eyes are enough to make a hopeless situation full of light. I guess it must be true. The future lives in you. The future lives in you. Yeah, the future lives in you. I guess it must be true. The future lives in you. The future lives in you. Yeah, the future lives in you. 'Cause I'm blinded by you, and I'd rather go blind than go without. Your eyes are enough to make a hopeless situation full of light. I guess it must be true. The future lives in you. The future lives in you.
Thank you everyone for watching my videos and for your overwhelming support. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next vlog. Take care until then.